to see me actually try on my actual hair one of the products I got in my very first She Sent It order, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to try one of the products I purchased in my very first purchase from She Sent It, and that is the Okra Hair Repair Reconstructive Conditioner. So, my hair is freshly washed, ready to go. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. And while you're watching, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just go ahead and give this video like right now. You know, just get it out the way so you don't forget. This has water, aloe vera, leaf juice, okra extract, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, wheat germ oil, grapeseed oil, calendula extract, sunflower extract, sea kelp extract, marshmallow extract, vegetable glycerin, hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed soy protein, wheat amino acids, rice protein, and octapin. So there's lots and lots of good stuff in here. Gently reconstructs the hair shaft while restoring strength to damaged hair. It's made with okra extracts and ceramides, and it's for all hair types. So what I am interested in seeing is how much moisture I get. And this is my protein wash day, so that's why I'm using this particular conditioner. Repair damaged tresses with the breakage control conditioner. We use organically grown okra along with special blend of botanical extracts, protein and ceramide rich oils to help revitalize and bring life back to damaged hair. Oh, so organically grown okra, that's good to know too. Okay, so I got my hair section off, ready to go. It says apply Liberate to clean damp hair, leave on for 10 to 30 minutes and then rinse. So what I'm probably going to do is leave on for, my minimum normally is 30 minutes, and it always goes longer than that sometimes because, you know, I get caught up in doing stuff around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on, wrap my hair with my plastic caps, and put on my thermal cap from Thermal Vibes. And, you know, I have to use heat. Let me know if you're low porosity. If you are, you know what I'm saying. If you don't know, a low porosity hair, you need to open up those cuticles so all the goodness you place in here can seep all in there. And then once you're done conditioning, you know, it can close on up and keep all that goodness in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this. Okay, started slipping down my hand. Okay, and if you saw my unboxing of this, I was hoping this conditioner would give me plenty of slip, and I assumed it would because the okra, and let me tell you, I actually feel like I'm rubbing okra right in my hair right now. This has lots of slip. It smells good. I don't know why all of a sudden I just smelled the I think it's a calendula I'm smelling right now. Now this does of course have fragrance in it, but I don't know why. Maybe I don't know, it's just stuck in my head. Now what I've been doing with my thin edges is grabbing the pieces I could grab and rubbing product on that because you want to keep those edges. I mean, I do whatever, you know, decides to hang on I want to keep. So anyway, yes, plenty of slip. Nice and smooth. It feels good on my hands. It doesn't feel You know, like some products may feel like it has a lot of slip. It feels super watered down. It does not feel watered down. It feels like it is a conditioner of substance. So let's go ahead and continue on. Definitely help with detangling. It's starting to smell a tiny bit citrusy, but it smells good. It smells nice and fresh. Look at that. Y'all, our hair is just amazing. It's just amazing. The way it can just curl up however it decides to. And I'm just adding some more to it because I feel like I went ham on the back. And it's not being fair to the front, so I'm adding more. Okay, so far so good. I like this. I mean, I love the amount of slip in it. That's my favorite thing so far. And the scent. The scent is just, it's very pleasant. It's very light and very pleasant. And this feels good on my hands. Feels good. So, I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for 30 minutes. And I'm going to let you guys see what my hair looks like once I take it out of the plastic bags. Okay, it's been about half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. Ooh, it's soft. Feels nice and silky. Ooh, I like it. This is my most favorite part of wash day, I think, is the conditioning. Because you really don't know how soft your hair gets until you deep condition. So make sure y'all deep condition it. Look at that hair. is happy. I'm happy. Yeah. This stuff right here, I am impressed. I am impressed. It's no lasting scent if I even smell anything at all. It's just my hair is clean, my hair is conditioned, my hair is happy, my hair is detangled, it is soft, and I feel like I've done something good for my hair. You know, reconstructing hair is a good thing. So I'm happy. Let me know down in the comments, have you tried this conditioner, you know, or are you interested in trying it at this point in time? Of course, as I always do in the description box, I leave the links to go ahead and of course follow SheScentIt if you're not already doing that on Instagram, and also sign up for their mailing list. And check this out. This is my very first product I have actually tried on my head from SheScentIt, and let me tell you, SheScentIt did it. Okay, so if you missed my previous video in which I did the unboxing to see all 3 products I purchased, go ahead and make sure you watch that video and get ready for the next time I try SheScentIt products. I have 2 more left. I'll tell you right now, this is a keeper. This is a keeper. So anyway, I'm out. I'm going to go ahead and continue on with my self-care Sunday, and I will talk to you later, roses.